Hey, I am in the Mink Creek area just outside of Pocatello today, and I'm going to be doing a little bit of hiking on the Valve House Trail. It snowed a little bit this last week, so there's some snow on this trail, but it's not very much, so I think it'll still be doable. Looks like we've got some good weather today though, so it should be a good hike. If you want more info on this trail or this area, check out the description. So there's a little bit more snow up here than I had hoped there would be. You can see no one else has really been on this trail up this far since it snowed, and I not taking it super far, but still just enough that it's making it a little tougher to hike, and you know, snow's up above my ankles. So, but still going good. It's really pretty out here. This hike's going pretty good so far. It's super pretty out here. I just love it when it's covered in snow like this. But yeah, I've got tons of pine trees around, and just having a great day. I'm about to my turnaround point, so I'm gonna keep going a little bit further, and then gonna be turning around soon. But this is really cool so far. Okay, it has opened up a little bit up here. We've got some aspens, super cool. Nice variety of trees up here. But I'm actually gonna be headed down now. So time for a little jog through the woods. All right, just made it back down to the bottom. It's a good hike.